Okay, so we're going to do our spreadsheet solving, and we're going to share our screen. And go to Google Chrome. And so in Google Chrome, we go to our spreadsheet. Okay, so here, what we're trying to do is add up, for example, the number of pets of 7th graders. So we want to take this cell and add 3. This cell has a match on 7th, and add 3, 6. This cell has a match on 7th, 9, 10, 11, 7, 14. Okay, so we want to get, oh, sorry, that's a number of siblings, so we get 14. Okay, similarly, 7, 2, 7, 2, 7, 4, that gives us 8, 7, 0, 7, 0, 7, 2, that gives us 10. Okay, so we look for 7th, we get 10 pets and 14 siblings. So we want to search on each of these, so add up based on the category. Okay, so we'll do that on each of these places. Okay, so let's see how we would do that. And so for the first one, we look and we say we want to add up for C2 to C13. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to say for C2 to C13, we're going to look at the term that's just to the left of 7th, and we're going to add it together. So if you see what's highlighted, you can see how the sumif works. It says check in here for the value here. If so, add this in the same row, add that up. Okay. Let's see what we get for this one. So if I highlight this, then you'll see that we're also checking in column C, we're looking for 8th this time, and we're looking in G to sum up, add those up. But if we want to look for male, well, for male, we have a different column, right? So you'll notice now, if I highlight the formula, now we're looking in column D, from D2 to D13. We're looking for the value in C20. So again, the value to the left of columns we're looking at. What happens if we take the difference between this one is looking in G, total siblings is the exact same formula. Okay, so it's looking in the male, female column. It's using C20, but this time it's looking in column F. And it's saying if we get a match on male, then let's look in column F and add up the number of siblings. So we have 2 different totals that we're adding up. Right, so we can do that with male and female. Okay. And then finally, pod. Well, pod information is in column E. So if we're in column E, okay, so we're still going to look for pod A or pod B, but we're going to look for that. We're looking in this range to see if we get a match. If we get a match, we're either going to look in the total pets column, okay, or we're also going to look in the siblings column. All right, so give that a try. Okay, it'll give you good practice in sumif, and it'll build into next week's assignment when we're going to give you a budget tracker in which you're also going to sum up based on different categories.